the cellular communications market, operators are busy enhancing their network capacity to deal with the ever-increasing demand for data. Consumers are using their smartphones for social media, streaming high-definition audio and video, gaming, and accessing data while on the move. Operators have limited spectrum available to service this demand, so they are densifying their networks by using small cells to reuse spectrum more frequently across the network. Today, small cells are being deployed in increasing volumes to provide capacity improvements. And that trend will continue as small cells are a key building block as networks transition from 4G to 5G. To help equipment vendors take advantage of the small cell opportunity, Analog Devices has developed a small cell radio reference design as part of the Radioverse technology and design ecosystem. This accelerates customers' time to market by providing a proven hardware and software reference design for small cell radios. Customers' R&D efficiency is enhanced with a common platform design that is easily reconfigured to other bands. And by using the very latest in Radioverse transceiver technology, customers are enabled with the lowest power, smallest form factor, 250 milliwatt small cell radio solution available on the market. This is a complete IQ data to antenna design, which can easily interface to the system FPGA via a standard JESD 204B interface. It supports 2x2 MIMO, 20 MHz FDD LTE with 250 milliwatt output power per antenna. All components necessary for the radio are on board, including the AD9375 wideband RF transceiver with integrated digital predistortion, high-efficiency PAs, LNAs, filters, and a complete power solution. The PCB has been designed to accommodate footprint-compatible RF front-end components, enabling easy rebanding of the design. This means that customers have a common platform, hardware and software solution for all bands. The card size is 89mm by 84mm and total power consumption is less than 10 watts from a single 5V supply. The key enabler of the reference design is the newest addition to the Radioverse family of highly integrated wideband RF transceivers. The AD9375 is the first wideband RF transceiver on the market to integrate a digital predistortion algorithm, or DPD. DPD enables the use of high-efficiency power amplifiers to reduce system power consumption. The AD9375 ultra-low-power DPD solution consumes less than 1/10 of the power of alternative solutions, cuts the number of SERDES lanes by half, and significantly reduces the FPGA complexity and cost. The power savings, integration, and system cost reduction make it an ideal solution for low-power, small form factor applications, such as small cell and massive MIMO. The combination of leading-edge technology in the AD9375 transceiver and the ease of use of the reference design embody how Radioverse is helping telecoms equipment manufacturers simplify and accelerate radio development. For more information, visit analog.com/radioverse/DPD.